Welcome to Health Haven, where we bring you the best natural remedies and health tips. Today, we're exploring the wonders of coconut oil for your hair. This natural marvel is not just for cooking, it's a powerhouse for hair health and growth. Stick around as we dive into simple steps to apply coconut oil effectively to achieve vibrant, voluminous hair. Discover the secrets to a healthier, happier you. Dive into health for you, where every video brings you closer to wellness. Whether you're looking to revamp your diet, master mental wellness, or just feel fantastic, we've got you covered. Don't miss out on our life-changing tips and tricks. Subscribe now by clicking the link in the description and start your journey to a healthier life today. Coconut oil has been revered for centuries, not only as a kitchen staple, but as a vital component in beauty treatments. Its moisturizing properties make it ideal for hair care, and it even acts as a natural barrier against sun damage. Today, it's a must-have in everyone's beauty regimen for good reasons. Let's find out why and how you can use it to enhance your hair's health and volume. Did you know the timing of applying coconut oil can significantly impact its effectiveness? For optimal results, skip the morning routine. Coconut oil needs time to work its magic, and applying it during the day could leave your hair looking greasy. Instead, the best time is at night, allowing the oil to deeply penetrate and nourish your hair as you sleep. This method ensures that your hair absorbs all the benefits without any rush. Before you apply coconut oil, it's crucial to warm it up. This simple step changes the oil from solid to liquid, making it easier to apply while ensuring it doesn't get too hot. Gently warming the oil helps open up the hair cuticles, enhancing the oil's absorption into your hair. Just make sure it's comfortably warm to the touch, not hot. To thoroughly coat each strand, start by dividing your hair into sections. This method ensures complete coverage, especially if you focus on the ends of your hair, which are often the driest and most damaged parts. Apply less oil to the healthier areas, like the mid-shaft to the scalp, especially if you have fine hair or a scalp prone to oiliness. Leaving the oil in your hair for about 20 to 30 minutes is generally sufficient, but if your hair is particularly dry or porous, consider extending this time. Some even prefer leaving it overnight for maximum conditioning. If you choose this longer treatment, simply cover your hair with a shower cap to avoid a mess. To maximize the effects of coconut oil, cover your hair with a shower cap and wrap it in a hot towel fresh from the dryer. Alternatively, a quick blast of warm air from your hairdryer can also do the trick. The heat will further help the oil penetrate more deeply into your hair strands. When it's time to wash out the oil, be thorough. Coconut oil can be stubborn to remove, requiring several rounds of shampooing. Adjust the amount of oil and the duration based on what works best for your hair type. It may take a few tries to perfect your routine, but the results are worth it. Now, let's dive deeper into the incredible benefits of coconut oil and explore some frequently asked questions to help you make the most of this natural wonder for your hair care routine. Coconut oil is not only beneficial for its conditioning properties, but also for its rich nutritional profile. It is high in lauric acid, a type of medium-chain fatty acid that has a unique affinity for hair protein. This makes coconut oil one of the best oils for preventing protein loss in hair, which is essential for maintaining hair strength and elasticity. Additionally, it contains vitamins E and K and iron, nutrients that are vital for hair health. One of the best things about coconut oil is its versatility. Whether you have fine, curly, or coarsely textured hair, coconut oil can enhance your hair's natural beauty. For those with fine hair, using a small amount of coconut oil as a leave-in treatment to the ends can prevent breakage without weighing the hair down. For those with curly hair, coconut oil can define curls and tame frizz. If you have coarse or dry hair, coconut oil works wonderfully as a deep conditioning treatment to restore softness and shine. Frequently asked questions: can coconut oil actually help with hair growth? While coconut oil itself doesn't stimulate hair growth, it does protect hair from losing protein, which can lead to thicker, healthier hair over time. This prevention of hair loss and breakage indirectly supports hair growth by maintaining healthier hair. How often should I use coconut oil in my hair care routine? This largely depends on your hair type and needs. For general maintenance, once or twice a week is sufficient. If your hair is particularly dry or damaged, you might benefit from using it more frequently as a conditioning treatment. Does coconut oil have any side effects? Coconut oil is generally safe for most people. However, if you have very fine or oily hair, it might weigh your hair down or make your scalp greasy if used in excess. Always start with a small amount and adjust according to how your hair responds. Can I leave coconut oil in my hair overnight? Absolutely. For deep conditioning, you can apply coconut oil before bed and wash it out in the morning. Just remember to cover your hair with a cap to protect your bedding. Is coconut oil effective for dandruff or an itchy scalp? Yes, coconut oil has antimicrobial properties, which can help reduce fungus and bacteria on the scalp. This can be beneficial for treating dandruff or an itchy scalp. Apply it directly to the scalp, leave it on for some time, and then wash thoroughly. Extra tips for coconut oil use. To get the most out of your coconut oil treatment, consider blending it with other natural ingredients. For instance, adding a few drops of essential oils like lavender or rosemary can enhance the oil's effectiveness and provide additional benefits like promoting relaxation or stimulating hair follicles. Also, while applying coconut oil, use your fingertips to massage it into your scalp gently. This not only helps in even distribution, but also improves blood circulation to the scalp, which is vital for promoting hair health. As we continue to explore the profound benefits of coconut oil, let's delve into some real-life applications and testimonials, along with additional insights into how you can incorporate coconut oil into your broader beauty routine for maximum impact. Hearing from those who have incorporated coconut oil into their hair care practices can provide valuable insights and inspiration. Let's hear from a few of our Health Haven community members. Emily from Florida shares, I started using coconut oil as a deep conditioning treatment once a week, and my hair has never felt softer. I was worried about it being greasy, but it absorbs so well overnight. Josh in California tells us, as someone with curly hair, I struggle with dryness and frizz. Coconut oil has been a game changer for defining my curls and keeping them manageable without the harsh chemicals found in many commercial products. These stories underscore the adaptability and effectiveness of coconut oil across different hair types and climates, enhancing its appeal as a universal hair care solution. Beyond hair care, coconut oil is a versatile component of a holistic beauty regimen. Here's how you can leverage its benefits for skin and overall wellness. Makeup remover. Coconut oil is gentle yet effective in removing makeup. Apply a small amount on a cotton ball and gently wipe your face. It removes even the most stubborn, waterproof makeup while hydrating the skin. Skin moisturizer. After your shower, apply coconut oil to your skin. It's particularly effective for dry areas like elbows and heels. Its natural antioxidant properties help keep your skin healthy and glowing. Lip balm. Ditch the commercial lip balms and use a dab of coconut oil on your lips. It's an excellent natural alternative to keep your lips soft and prevent chapping. Cuticle oil. Apply coconut oil to your cuticles to help keep them soft and prevent peeling or breaking, which is especially useful during dry winter months. By integrating coconut oil into these aspects of your beauty care, you're not only simplifying your routine, but also ensuring that you're using products that are natural and beneficial to both your hair and skin. To maximize the benefits of coconut oil, here are some expert tips and tricks. Blending ingredients. Enhance coconut oil's benefits by mixing it with other natural ingredients. For hair masks, blend it with honey for moisture or apple cider vinegar for a scalp detox. Temperature matters. Always remember that coconut oil solidifies under 76 degrees Fahrenheit. If you live in a cooler climate, you may need to warm it slightly before use. Patch test. Although coconut oil is generally safe, it's always wise to do a patch test on your skin, especially if you have sensitive skin or are prone to allergies. Storage. Keep your coconut oil in a cool, dry place to maintain its shelf life and effectiveness. Why choose coconut oil? Choosing coconut oil over other oils or commercial products offers several advantages. Cost-effective coconut oil is more affordable than many high-end hair and beauty products, with the added benefit of multipurpose use. If you're really enjoying today's content and want to show some extra support, consider sending a super thanks either by clicking on button right below this video or the three dots. It looks like a heart and a dollar sign. By clicking on it, you can choose to make a small contribution to our channel. Your super thanks not only helps us continue creating great videos, but also lets us know that you're finding value in what we're doing. We appreciate each and every one of you for being here and supporting our channel. Chemical-free, it's a natural alternative that avoids the chemicals and additives found in many beauty products, which can be harsh on your skin and hair. Sustainability, by using a single product for multiple purposes, you're contributing to a more sustainable and minimalistic lifestyle. We're eager to hear about your own experiences and tips regarding coconut oil. Join the discussion in the comments below and share how you've integrated coconut oil into your beauty regimen. Your insights could help others in our community discover new ways to use this wonderful natural resource. As we wrap up today's in-depth look at coconut oil, remember that the journey to natural health and beauty is personal and unique to each individual. Experimenting with coconut oil can be a delightful and enriching experience, leading to more sustainable and healthy beauty practices. If you enjoyed our deep dive into coconut oil, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Health Haven for more insights and tips. Stay healthy, stay inspired, and take care of your beauty naturally.